If you've inherited a house that's outdated, full of belongings, or needs significant repairs, you might be wondering, do I really have to clean all of this out and fix the house before I can sell it? The answer is no. Selling an inherited home can already feel overwhelming. You may be dealing with probate, multiple heirs, years of accumulated belongings, or a property that hasn't been updated in 20 or 30 years. And on top of all that, you may be dealing with the emotions that come with losing a loved one. We recently worked with a Sacramento homeowner who inherited her parents' house. It hadn't been updated in more than 30 years. There was old carpet, faded wallpaper, and rooms full of furniture, keepsakes, and belongings collected over a lifetime. Instead of spending months cleaning everything out and renovating the house, she chose to sell the inherited property as is. That's something we can do at Bridgehaven Homes. We buy inherited homes in their current condition so you don't have to make repairs, update the property, or even clean everything out. You can take the belongings you want and leave behind the things you don't. Our process is pretty simple. You contact us, we learn a little bit about the property and your situation, and then we can make you a fair, no-obligation cash offer. If you decide the offer works for you, you choose the closing timeline that makes sense for your situation. So if you're thinking, I need to sell my inherited house fast, but I don't know where to start, you have options. Give Bridgehaven Homes a call at 916-414-9997 or visit bridgehavenhomes.com to learn more about selling an inherited home without repairs or cleanup.